Selling is the art of providing a solution to a customer's problem, thus adding value to their life. So if, for argument's sake, they have an awkwardly located conservatory, they've been up there with their broom and their hose pipe and they just can't get it clean. And if they do, they make a hash of it. You can turn up with your box of toys and get the job done, and it's going to look fabulous because it's what we do. But you've got to attract the customer first. You've got to get the customer to come to you and say, can you solve my problem? And this is all done via marketing. So on your website, your social media platforms, your stationery, your flyers, all of this should be promoting the answer to their problems in the way of pictures. Pictures, the age-old saying, paint 1,000 words, and they do. So if you've got images plastered everywhere of you solving their problem, they can see that firsthand. They're going to go online, they're going to sniff you out, they're going to put a query into Google, and you're going to pop up with a solution to their problem. So that by the time you're in front of them, talking, selling, they've near enough already hired your services because they've been online and they've seen that you can solve their problem. That is the art of selling. Then you can charge what you think you're worth for solving their problem. This is basic salesmanship, but it's a complete package. It's not just having the gift of the gab, being stood in front of someone, giving them a load of bollocks just to charge them an extortionate amount for cleaning their windows. That's not selling. That is not what it is about. You want to provide a solution for their problems, thus adding value to their lives on a repeat business arrangement. That's it. Then you've created the perfect business model. You've got umpteen clients getting you round every month to provide solutions to their problems. In turn, they will reward you financially, creating revenue for your business that allows you to invest into index funds a percentage of that profit. That is selling. That is selling in a nutshell. Anyway, what another week. Stonking week. Mental temperatures. This has been going on since May. This is about 2 months of this weather we've had. So I ain't gonna moan about it. Although us oldies do struggle in it. But yeah, long may it continue. This is one hell of a record-breaking summer we've had here. So I'll see you next week. And in the meantime, I'll think of something else to let you lads and lasses know. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bully out. Oh no, got it wrong, didn't I? Bully out.